Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Poinsettia Petals bundle, which is part of the Poinsettia Place suite. So here's the Poinsettia Place bundle. Now this is a fabulous bundle. It has these poinsettias that you can use to cut out the stamped poinsettias, but it also has these little pieces that you can use to emboss your poinsettias, and I'll show you how I did that. It also has this piece that cuts out this poinsettia right here, and these leaves, and this cuts out this, and then these little teeny poinsettias, this cuts out this piece right here, and then all these sentiments, and then these middle pieces right here. So it's a really robust bundle with a lot of pieces that are available to you to use. So for this card, I'm going to start off with the poinsettia, and I'm just going to use a bone folder to just curl up the petals and just kind of make them look pretty. And I'm going to do the same thing with the leaves. And then I'm going to use glue dots to attach them all together. And I've got very vanilla cardstock and old olive cardstock that I'm using here, along with some gold foil and some Poinsettia Place Designer Series paper right here. It's really, really pretty. Of course, it's double-sided, and you can use some of the dies to cut out the flower right here and the little berries right here. I love this wood grain. We've got this right here in the pine cones, these holly. So really, really pretty paper. So I'm just going to start by attaching this down with some Stampin' Seal onto an old olive 5.5 by 8.5 card base, folded in half. And then I'm going to put these together, starting with the smallest one using glue dots. So I'm going to reveal about 5 glue dots here. Just start with the smallest one, grab the glue dot, and I'm just going to off center right there. Then I'll do the center piece, this cute little gold piece right here. And then I'll grab the little petals, do one here, I'll do one over here. Now I'm going to emboss a little sentiment over here, so I'm going to put this aside, get out some powder. Make sure it embosses nicely. So for embossing, I've got some Versamark, and I've got some gold embossing powder, and I'm going to do Warm Wishes. And I've got my Versamark inked, very juicy. So just going to stamp that and put some powder on here. Just knock some off. And then just make sure I put my powder and my Versamark away from where I'm going to be heating. And then we'll heat this up. Just going to hold this here and wait until I see the powder start to turn into a solid, glossy, shiny, like that, right there. And then I'll just move my heat tool along. And there we go. So we've got that there. So I'll bring these pieces back. And so this is a stitched rectangle die that I cut out, and this is from the Stitch So Sweetly, and they don't quite fit end to end. But I'm gonna hide this end with the poinsettia. So I'm just going to layer this and line it up perfectly on this side over here, and it's gonna hang over the left side a little bit, but I'm gonna cover it up so you won't even be able to tell on the other side. So I'm gonna pop this up with some dimensionals. And I will also put a dimensional on my poinsettia. We'll add this to the center of our card here. And let me get us all uncrooked. And then add our poinsettia over here. And then see, it's hiding our edge right there. There we go. There's our card. So I'm offering a class, a card kit, using this Poinsettia Petals, and it has 6 cards, 2 of each of these cards. And so if you make a $30 order purchase, then you will get this card class for free. So to do so, you go to my website, elainescreations.net, and you use this hostess code. Click on Shop Now and make your $30 purchase. Enter this hostess code, and then send me an email and let me know that you would like this Poinsettia Place class or Poinsettia Petals class, and I will send this card kit right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please click on the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I have a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.